Okay, guys, you are welcome. You are welcome. So we are going to look at the live trading. We are going to look at what we are doing right now. Okay. Okay. So we are going to look at the market, what the market is actually doing, and we would also look at how we can make some profits from the market. Okay. Basically, um, I had some charts. I have some setups that I would want you guys to look at. I think we've been doing it over and over and over again. So I would want to show you what I'm looking at, how we can also make some profits from the market. Okay, so let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, so let me it's just on the setups that we actually did previously. We are going to look at the setups, how we can also make some profits from it. Just on the setups that so let's look at what I have for you guys. Let's look at what I have for you guys. Let's look at what I have for you guys so that we can also benefit from this whole thing. Okay. So let me share my chart with you guys. Um, share screen. Okay. Okay. So basically, this is what I have on the chart. Yeah. Now, when you look at I have so my current trade, so I mean the running trades that looks quite good was before that. Let's look at DXY. So DXY, I told you guys earlier on that we are going to see a break of the structure. Like I mean, let me show you. So this is the whole thing. Let's zoom to the monthly time frame and see what is there. Let's zoom to the monthly time frame. So we're able to get this set up. Okay, we're able to get this set up. We're able to get this set up actually. Okay, and okay, guys, a minute. I'm trying to invite more people to join. So the monthly time frame, this was actually the setup. Yeah. Then I told you guys that once there is a break, I told you guys that once there is a break, we are going to have the market, I mean DXY trending down. Okay. We are going to have DXY trending down. I showed you guys. And that is what is happening. We are seeing DXY actually dropping. We are seeing DXY actually dropping. And we might see it continue dropping for some time. So now when you check the monthly time frame, it's formed a triangle formation, a skew triangle formation. This was the impulsive move. It broke a structure, formed a triangle formation, an ABC zigzag correction. Now there was a break of the triangle formation. It continued with an impulsive move. Now this is another correction, which is forming an ABCDE pattern. Okay. Now over here, now this impulsive move coming down is the same thing as what's happening over here. Now this is the impulsive move. Okay. So when you check on the daily time frame, you can see that there was an impulsive move from here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. The wave 4 formed an ABC. So ABC running flat correction. Then wave 5. Now over here, initially, as I told you guys, I was expecting an a contracting triangle. Okay. Initially, I was expecting a contracting triangle before it comes down. So I told you guys to wait, if you can remember. Once it breaks this zone, then we are going for a sell of the DXY. Okay, so that is what is happening, and you can see that it's going to sell. Maybe we can have some sort of pullbacks, but I want to see this level broken. Okay, then we can have some pullback and continue another impulsive wave. Over here, I told then we had a breakout over here. Okay, so I'm expecting it to drop down. Okay, as we are expecting. So it will continue dropping. At a point, you should expect that we'll have a pullback, then it will continue dropping down. Okay, so DXY, I expect it to drop down for a long time. especially during the election. You should see it dropping more. Okay, so that means that Euro USD, Pound USD, I gave you guys all the analysis. Now, let me focus on what I am trading, my current portfolio. I'm active on Pound JPY and Euro JPY. I want to show you guys that you don't need plenty trades to actually make a lot of profit. Okay, you don't need plenty trades to actually make a lot of profit. You need some few trades, then you swing it. That's my philosophy. So so you can check, first of all, Pound JPY. Let's look at Pound JPY. So Pound JPY, now this was the whole pattern. This is the alternative bat pattern, which is ending at 113. So from here, let me show you guys something. The harmonic cheat sheet, I want to show you guys. Let me just okay. So now you can see that from X to A, it ended at 38.2, and this one ended at 113. Then we had a change of character down. Now, what you should note is if the B is at 38.2 and the D is at 113, you come to your harmonic cheat sheet and you see that the alternative bat, the B is at 38.2 to 50, and the D is at 113 of XA. Okay, of XA. That completes the alternative bat pattern formation. So over here, it means that we are going to have a down move over here. Now, when you check on the harmonic cheat sheet, the alternative bat pattern, after the completion of the alternative bat at 113D, which is the PRZ zone, the potential reversal zone. Now, the first take profit is at 38.2 of AD. So in the worst scenario, we should see our trade hitting the 38.2. Now, let's go to the chart and see. So so we have 38.2 of AD. The letters are very, very important. So let's look at 38.2 of A to D. Now, if we pull our Fibonacci from A to D, that means that 38.2 is at this level. Okay. Now, it means that even though it's at this level, it's not going to go straight. We know that our final destination is here. However, the trade will not go in a straight line. Okay, we might see some ups and downs. So let's go to the lower time frame. This is on the daily. We have our long-term target. Okay, so this is, so anytime you want to buy, you are looking for you are looking not to stay in the market for long, but once you catch the sell, you are going long term to this level. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what is happening. Okay, 1 hour. Now we had pound JPY all coming down. You can see it over here. You can see pound JPY dropping down. You can see pound JPY. It's creating impulses and impulsive wave and corrective waves. Okay, impulse correction, impulse correction. Now, the whole of this impulse correction are the internal structures. Okay, now this big correction is the swing structure. Now, it means that it's giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 waves. So in my mind, what I'm thinking about is a zigzag path, a zigzag correction. Now, what is a zigzag correction? Now, zigzag correction are corrections that has a 5-3-5 formation. It's more than Moreno formation. So let me show you what a 535 formation is in forex trading. Okay, let me show you what a 535 formation. So we have a lot of mentors who teach, and so let's type a 535 formation, a 535 formation. Okay, 535 correction. Okay, so this is a 535 correction. It is called a zigzag correction. It can happen in many variations. Whether the first five becomes an impulsive wave, the three becomes a corrective wave, and the last five becomes either another impulsive wave or a triangle. Okay, so basically, this is a 535 formation. It will look like this. So we can have either this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called a 5, 3, 5 formation, which is a zigzag pattern. Okay, so what I'm expecting on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one becomes a triangle formation. Okay, so the B can be either a triangle or any variation. Now, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this one to retrace into the discounted zone, either 50 or 61.8, either 50 or 61.8. Okay, so the list is for me to see it discount to the 50 fib, which is this level. Okay, so that means that I'm expecting pound JPY to have a price action formation into the 50 fib level. Okay, into the 50 fib level. So it means that when I expand it, I'm looking for a formation into the 50 fib. Okay, now we have what potential formation is forming. It's forming more like a skewed triangle. It's forming more like a skewed triangle. Okay, it's forming more like a skewed triangle. So what is a skewed triangle? What is a skewed triangle? Let me show you what a skewed triangle is. So skewed triangle. They didn't. Okay. 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 So this symmetrical. I think they did not even show the skewed triangle here. I think they did not even show. They're not even showing skewed triangle. It's more like this one. It's more like this. Okay, it's more like this one. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. You see the skewed triangle, So it's more like this. Okay, it's in a straight form. Okay, it's more like this. So that's what I'm expecting over here. So this looks like a skewed triangle. Now we have it forming ABC. Okay, then it formed a correction, another ABC. Then so a triangle has a 3 3 3 3 3 formation. So let me show you what a 3 3 3 guys. For me, when you come to my live, you learn a lot. So let me show you what is a 3 3. So a triangle forms a 3. a 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Wave in Forex. So I just typed a 3 3. Let's go to so these people they are not so it's more like a triangle. They are not even giving me triangle. So what they are trying to say is um these people they don't even give okay. So look at this. ABC. Okay, that's one. You see, so the first impulsive move is 5 waves. It can also be no 3 waves, ABC. Now here, ABC, so it's 3, ABC 3, ABC 3, ABC 3, ABC 3. So that makes it a 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 formation. That is the formation of a triangle. Then it will break down. Okay, so I am looking for a 3, 3 formation A, 1, 2, 3, B, 1, 2, 3. It's expanded. C, 1, 2, 3, D, 1, 2, 3, E. Okay, so I'm expecting it to go up. Now, this is what happened over here. Now, this current move that we are having um, is a harmonic pattern. So look at this. So the last move that we are having is a harmonic pattern. It might truncate. So because look at this, we have from here X to A, X to A, X to A is at 78.6. You can see over here it is at 78.6. X to A is at 78.6. Okay. Now, and it will trace. So we already have our B at 78.6. Okay. Now let's move it from A to get C. The C ended around 61.8. That's fine. Now let's take our harmonic cheat sheet to know something. Now look at all the harmonic cheat sheet. Look at all the harmonic cheat sheet. You will see that with this, when you check over here, it is only the B, it is only the butterfly pattern that has the B at what? 78.6. It is only the butterfly pattern that has the B at 78.6. It is only the butterfly that has the B at 78.6. So if you get B at 78.6, you are certain that the D is going to what? 1.272 of XA. Now, let's go over here. So it means that when I pull my fave from here to here, 78, my target is at what? 1.272. So it means that when I get a change of character, look at this. This first change of character here, this would be my first entry, okay? And my second entry here. Now, the whole target is going to what? 1.272, which will complete this bigger harmonic pattern over here. So all the guys over here, we are heading towards 1.272. That means that from here to here, we are targeting about 347 pips. We are targeting about 300 and what? 347 pips. So this is basically the STR strategy I'm showing you over here. Now, within this, there was also a harmonic pattern, but these smaller harmonic patterns would lead to the bigger harmonic pattern, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. Okay. So I'm expecting the buy to go all the way to 1.272. It means that from here, we are left with how many pips more? We have a lot of money to be made. We are left with 200 pips more to go. Now, if you get one trade like this, where you can get 300 and so it's not plenty trades that will give you money. Just pick quality trades and ride it. Let me show you something. Now, look at this. So from here, you can see I took the trade around this level, okay, which is around 166.83 Euro JPY. Now look at this. Now look at this. You can see that Euro JPY, yeah. You can see that Euro JPY, and please, if you want to know the broker I'm using, I'm actually using FXTM. FXTM is our recommended broker now. If you want to enjoy free signal service, just open an account with FXTM, deposit $200 and above, and you are good to go. You join our VIP group and take free signals from us. Okay, so we are about to reset our signal group. We'll take everybody out, then we would invite new people. It's free of charge. Just open an account with our recommended broker FXTM. Then, so I'm now the country manager for FXTM Ghana. I'm now the country manager for FXTM Ghana. So, how some of the services, most of the services will be free for you. Just open an account with our recommended broker, just join. So you can see that the Euro JPY, the first trade, we took it around 161.044. Okay, you can see that the price at 161.044. Okay, so that's 161.044. It was around here. It was around here, and our stop loss was here. Okay, yeah, you can see it over here. It was around here, and our stop loss was here, and we are targeting this price. So we took it, it went up, came back, we were still in it. That's the power of the STR strategy. We'll still be in it. Then it continued the waves. Forex, imagine making all this profit, it comes down, you are still in it. So it came to this level, we took another position over here after the breakout of the price. Okay, then it came here, it's forming another harmonic pattern, which is a deep crab pattern. Because, so why do I know it's a deep crab? This one, this B is around 88 to 100 fib. Now let's take from X, we are now using this one as X to A. This is at 88 fib. You can see it over here. Now, the only harmonic pattern that has the B at 88 is what? Deep crab. Deep crab, the B is at what? 88 to 1. That means that the TP will be at what? 161 of XA. 161 of XA. So here, once you pick a trade here, you are going to 161. So your take profit one will be at 161.8, and take profit two will be the bigger one, which is the butterfly 1.272. So we are looking at this point. When it gets here, I'll close. When it gets to this level, I'll close one of the Euro JPYs. Okay, I'll close one of the Euro JPYs when it gets here. And Yeah, so when it gets to this level, I'll close one of them. Okay, I'll close one of them, and when it gets here, it will hit the second take profit. Whatever I will do after this one, I don't care. I don't care. Whatever will happen after this one, I don't care. So please, FXTM is our recommended broker once again. Open an account with FXTM. If you are in Ghana, just go to FXTM website, open an account, give us your account ID, and we'll add you to the VVIP for free. Okay. So you need to deposit $200 to activate the account, and after that you can put in any amount that you want, lesser than $200. Now, if you want to also go into copy trading, we have our managed funds. These are some of the managed funds that we have. These are some of the managed funds. All these ones are managed funds. They are managed funds that we manage for people. Our minimum is $5K, $5,000. If you have that, the minimum was $10K, but we reduce it to 5. If you have that, we can help you set up your copy trading account, and you are good to go. Now you can see that. So let me see. Is it? So far I can see the history, the profit so far 512. You can see it over here. So let me look at the total. It doesn't mean that we don't make losses. Come on, we make losses, but the whole thing is in the how do you call it, in the risk to reward. Okay, it's risk to reward. We target high profit and we cut our losses very quickly. Okay, so our exposure is very small. We have very small exposure. So these are some of our current trades running. We don't take plenty trades, but we take quality trades. If we hit our stop loss, we leave it a hit. We lose 1%. It goes to our target to make like 5, 6%, 10%. So it's about risk to reward. That's how a professional trader trades, not someone stacking at one place, putting like 100 trades at one point. That one is not professional trading. You blow your account 100 times before you make it. So basically, it is what it is. You can see we have a copy trading system. We've installed. I don't know if you were here. If I'm not able to connect to the server, I would have showed you how our copy trading software works and how we are able to link it to other. So if you are an investor out there, you have $1 million, come, let's talk about it. So 5K, 10K, 100K, let's talk about it. I don't trade prop firms. So okay, so the what is it? So we are expecting this one to go to this level, 1.272, to complete the butterfly pattern. And after it gets to this level, I think at that point, it will be in the discounted zone, which is the 50 fib, okay? We have more pips to go, my brothers. It will get to the discounted zone, 50 fib. Then we can shut it down. We'll shut it down to the 38.2 of the weekly time frame, okay? Of the weekly time frame, which is this level. Okay, so this is the general plan. Okay. Now when it gets here, we will buy it to complete the bigger picture, which is this one. We have everything planned out. So when it gets to this level, which will be the retracement of the crab pattern. Now, what is the crab pattern? So with this one completed the crab pattern at 1.618. Let me show you. Fib levels, when you experience, it gets to a point when the fib levels stick. You can look at a zone and you know where it has gotten to, the fib level that it has gotten to. You don't even need to use the the Fibonacci ratio. You just look at it and you know and you know the fib level it has gotten to. So when you put it over here and here, you can see that the B is at 61.8 and the D is at what 1.61, which is 161 Fibonacci extension. Now, which of the harmonic patterns that the B is at 61 and the D is at 1.61? So we take our harmonic cheat sheet. Now, when you look at crab, the B is at 38 point to 61 and the D is at 1.61 extension. So this is a valid crab pattern. Now, the extent when it gets to the PRZ zone or the 161.8, it retraces to 38.2 of AD. It means when it gets to this one, we are expecting it to drag to 38.2. Now, look at this. The previous month gave us what? A bearish engulfing pattern. So I'm expecting that once it gets to the zone, it will pull down to the 38.2 before we'll have a long-term trend of the market, which should complete this. Now, why do I think it will complete this? So let me show you why I think it will complete this. So let's take this one for example. Now, if I put my fib from here to here, now this is at 61.8. So 61.8, if the B is at 61, now let me take this one off so that it doesn't confuse you. Now, if the B is at 61, okay, if the B is at 61, now the potential reversal zone is 78.6, which is this level. If it doesn't retrace at this level, then the next step is for it to get to 1.618, which is this level. Because now, if the B is at 61, the D should retrace at 78.6. You could see that at 78.6, the market continue upwards. So that means that the next 61.8 that we are going to is the crab, which is 38.2 to 61, and the D is at 1.61. It means that once this one completes and start buying, we are going to 1.61. That is it. And you see, at this point, it would have broken, it would have taken liquidity over here, and it will continue buying to 1.61. And that will complete the bigger harmonic pattern. So this smaller harmonic pattern is giving us the retracement to 38.2. Then it will continue buying to complete the bigger pattern at the PRZ zone of 1.618. This is harmonic patterns. If you don't know how to use it, you would make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so the STR strategy combines harmonics, Elliott wave, and smart money concepts in one strategy to be able to get the direction of the market. Now, let's go to the 1 hour. So basically, I'm expecting this one to go up all the way, especially when we've seen, oh shit, especially when we've seen a breakout of this trend. Okay, so let me look at something here. Okay, it will continue going up. So I'm expecting a buy. The buy, we are not done. By the time it gets to this level, would have made, so far we are up this month, I think we are up about 17%. By the time it gets to the take profit one or something, that would be up about 30% or 40% for the month. Okay, so I just want one news to push it like this. Then we'll just complete like this one, this kind of news. Yesterday I saw one of this. I never, and it retraced back. I never thought it would come back. Now look at this. Today we are back. Maybe it should just price action. It should just get here, come here, then do this, do this, and then so so that's it for pound euro JPY. Okay, that's it for euro JPY. That's it for euro JPY. Um, what again? What again? Okay, so we've done Euro JPY. We've also done Pound JPY. Pound JPY, the same pattern. Now, Pound JPY, the same thing. Um, it completed alternative bat. It will pull back to the 38.2. But before that, on the lower time frame, we need to see a retracement to the discounted zone or the discounted ratio, um which is 0.5. Okay, 0.5 or 0.65. I expect it to get to this zone. Now it's forming a triangle formation. Breakout, I expect it. Maybe a pullback, then we'll continue all the way to maybe all the way to this level. Okay. Which would be around maybe around 20, maybe around 20, 24th. Maybe in 2 days' time we might get there. Who knows? Then this thing can even go up like that too. But I just want to play safe. I'll play safe and end it at this. So I'll end it here. Let me show you. This one it will go because this is forming more like a triangle formation. So impulse A, B, C, D, E. So it has to go. It will go to this zone. This 50 zone, it will get there. But if you are to take harmonic into consideration, it means that from here to here it's at 70 fib. That means that our target should be at 1.272 to complete the butterfly pattern. Okay. So if we are using harmonic, this should be our target. But butterfly pattern, butterfly pattern formation. Show end here. Okay. That's about how many pips? About 130 pips more. Yeah. AUDJPY, same ish. AUDJPY, same ish. So AUDJPY is likely to break up to the upside to complete an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So So I'm expecting, okay, I'm expecting to break up. Now, and that should also get to the fib zone. Okay, so the 50 will be the fib zone, the discounted zone. Then we would write it down. Okay, then we'll write it down. Which one again? CHFJPY, two safe haven assets. They are quite tricky. You can see. So, so this was the impulsive move. Okay. Now I'm expecting to have an ABC flat correction. A, B, C. Okay. Now this is the A, B. Now the C, I'm expecting it to form a cipher or shark. So cipher and shark is the only pattern that the C is longer than the A. So 61. So this complete the cipher, this complete the, I'm expecting to get to 113, which is also a shark pattern. Okay. So I'm expecting more buys to the top. To complete the shark or cipher, it means that that will be the end of a regular flat correction. Regular flat. So there are three types of flat. There are three types of flat. Okay. Types of flat correction. So there are three types of flat. You can see them here. These are the three types of flat. We have the regular flat, the irregular expanded flat, and the running flat. Okay, so these are the three types of flat. Now, when you check here, after the impulsive move, the A came here, the B came here. So A form A, B, C. That's A, B, C, B. Then you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So at least we want to see, yes. So this is it. The 5 waves is forming more like a triangle formation. Okay. A, which is 1, 2, 3. A, 1, 2, 3. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Okay, so I'm expecting it to actually go up. Okay. This has been my projection for Euro USD butterfly pattern formation. on the weekly time frame. Okay. Now from here to here, the B ties 78.6. So automatically, we are going to what? 1.272 after the change of character and rate test from the C. So from here, C to D. Now, if the B is at 78.6, now if the B is at 78.6, the potential D is at 1.272. Okay. So from X to A, the B is at 78.6. The and once it retraces back, the potential D is at 1.272. Okay, which will be around here. Okay. So once I have this plan in mind, any retracement on the lower time frame I buy. Any sell retracement I buy. Okay. So if I'm able to see this one, take this liquidity here. Okay, this liquidity, like the way this one was taken. If I'm able to see this one taken, then I'll buy. If I see this, something like this, I'll buy to the top. Okay. If I see something like this, I'll buy. And my target, my target already. My target will be here. You get it? You see how I'm combining both these things to analyze the market. As simple as ABCD. Okay. So you see how I'm using both these things to analyze the market. So once liquidity is taken, I'll buy and I'll target this level. As simple as that. I want to see something like this or just a retracement. Then I'll continue buying. Guys, any questions so far? Any questions so far? If you have any question, let me see those watching from YouTube. Those watching from YouTube. Okay. I think there is no question yet. There's no question. On YouTube, there's no question. So we have a butterfly pattern here to the top. Yeah, because this is 78.6 of X to A. So we are targeting 1.272. Once we know that, then we want to pick um, pullbacks, pullbacks that took liquidity. So I want this liquidity to be taken if it pulls back and retrace something like this to form an A, B, C. I will buy. I'll buy all the way to the target. Okay, guys. Okay. Is there any question? Is there any question? Let me know if there is any question. Mm, let me know if there is any question. Okay, since there are no question, I want to bring the stream to an end and expect another session. Don't forget to open your account with FXTM, our recommended broker of choice, and enjoy free signal for free. My name is Dr. Harmonics, your favorite mentor, and see you in the next session. I'm out.